Okay.
one of the most common questions out there, what credit score do buyers need to qualify for the best rates today?
Good question. And of course, it varies depending on loan type. The standard, kind of mortgage product we talk about all the time, of course, is that conforming conventional loan. In Riverside County, the maximum is 806 500. These are loans that generally are going to get sold to Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. Those two agencies have a credit score grid that is published that determines how a mortgage is going to be what I call priced, which basically means what effect on the price, the rate, and the discount cost, if any, is going to be applied toward that loan based on credit score. So their grid is in tiers, 20-point tiers. So the top tier is 780. So if you're going to get a conventional conforming Fannie Mae Freddie Mac loan, you want to be 780 or better on your score. That will get you the best rate. Now, again, keep in mind, when we say 780, if it's one borrower, that's their middle score of the three bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. If it's two people or a married couple, it's the lowest middle of the two people. So that is how, the score that's used for getting the best rate. Now, what happens is, as I said, the Fannie Freddie grid goes down in 20-point increments. So your second best tier is 760 to 779. Then your third best tier is 740 to 759. And your fourth best, 720 to 739 and so forth, all the way down to 620. So, and when you get further down on that schedule, down to 620 to 639, the adjustment or the hit to the price of the loan is pretty hard. It's going to probably mean you're going to look at a rate that's going to be somewhere in the range of probably at least a half to maybe as much as 0.75% higher than if you're at 780.
Oh.
Now, in FHA, VA, USDA, I would say generally you're going to get the best price or best rate if you're in the 720 to 740 or better.